BC, or even earlier. It's a legendary herb bestowing immortality. Indeed, its medicinal value has long been highly regarded. And now, after thousands of years, it is scientifically proven to contain high therapeutic values. Once a rare gem found in the wild and afforded only by royalty, today it's farmed with modern technology on an industrial scale for everyone's consumption in various forms. But to yield its purest value requires more than technology. The right climate with high temperature and high humidity is the ideal condition to grow Ganoderma. Malaysia happens to be the perfect haven for this mission. This is the world's largest organic Ganoderma Lucidum farm, Gano Excel. The green farming concept uses sawdust, rice husks, and soybean husks as the medium for cultivation. No chemical, pesticide, or hormone is used in the process. The ingredients are prepared for natural fermentation, and then the ingredients are mixed well before being packed into a poly bag. Polybags are sterilized in an autoclave that processes 5,000 polybags at one time. Meanwhile, in the tissue culturing clean room, the best type of therapeutic Ganoderma lucidum is scientifically germinated. It will now be transferred to the polybag to grow in a specially designed greenhouse. All nutrients needed are provided by the nutritious medium in the polybag. One greenhouse can hold up to 30,000 polybags. And this huge facility has 100 greenhouses. The hanging method avoids contamination and optimizes the growing of Ganoderma. After 3 months, the Ganoderma has matured and will be harvested. It will go through stringent cleaning before the boiling process to extract its essence. The concentration level will be monitored from time to time for quality control. And then, the essence in liquid form will undergo a spray drying process to turn it into powder form, followed by a series of lab tests to get QA approval for production. All workers must sanitize themselves and put on clean room attire before entering the production floor, which is GMP certified. Powder that has passed the lab test will be filled into capsules and then polished. After that, Gano Excel's team of chemists and microbiologists will carefully check every batch for quality control. Only capsules that have passed the QA test will be sent for bottling. With years of research and continuous improvement, Gano Excel is the world's first 100% water-soluble Ganoderma powder producer. From farm to market, Gano Excel takes every process seriously and adheres to the international practice of HACCP for all its health supplement production. Gano Excel, bringing health and wealth into every family.